Portability and reliability in one compact unit, the Power Analyzer PW4001. As electrification advances, accurate vehicle power measurement is more essential than ever. Today's testing demands capturing power and vehicle data on a single timeline. The PW4001 makes that integration possible, all in one device. It frees you from the hassle of integrating separately acquired data. In vehicle development, power measurements must be made under a wide range of temperatures. This is because driving range can vary significantly depending on temperature. The PW4001 delivers stable, accurate measurements from -20 to +50 degrees Celsius. Setup is simple. Clamp-type sensors fit easily, even in tight spaces. It also meets WLTP power measurement requirements. Accuracy is guaranteed across a wide range, from high to low power. The PW4001 is ideal for on-road testing. It can run on an external battery. This makes in-vehicle testing easier and more flexible. The PW4001 streamlines modern vehicle testing. Portability and reliability in one compact unit, the Power Analyzer PW4001.